Yeah, so I mean, we're really excited for the spring because it's generally the windier of the season. So the whole team is really pumped up and ready to sail in some bigger breeze and really work hard on the water. And we're like a nice lean team right now, so everyone's going to get lots of opportunities sailing at regattas. We have a few home regattas that we're excited to host and have some other teams come down and check out our awesome venue. And hopefully we'll be in the running for a bid at Nationals at the end of the spring.
Because of that, we have a lot of different variety and a lot of different skills that are shown in our team that most other schools don't have. My junior year this year has really traveled me all over the U.S. and I've seen a lot of different places that I've gone to and a lot of different venues to learn a lot of different things that I wouldn't have otherwise gotten.